Buenos dias, amigos, amigas from Ajijic in the lakeside area. Right now, I'm in Upper La Floresta, which borders Ajijic. It's actually in Ajijic, but this is one of the parts that I like to cover sometimes. And I'm going to go for a little walk video here so you can see a little bit about what's going on here in La Floresta. Okay, I'll be walking over right into Ajijic, and I'm on the north side of the Carretera Highway. Let me make an adjustment here. Okay, now here's the bike path. Now, if you want to go to Walmart's or Centro Laguna Mall, it is about 1/3, probably maybe a quarter of a mile this way. Okay, cover, there's juice stand or some kind of stand there, vendor has some snacks. Now, this is of particular interest. Coming up, you're going to find across this highway here very carefully. You're going to find a vendor there where you can buy furniture. Okay, here we go. There's a gentleman rocking on a chair, and look at this beautiful furniture here. Okay, we're going to walk along the Carretera on the south side. Okay, we're going to walk right into an area where you're going to find a lot of shops, stores, restaurants, and places you might like to go to. It's a nice walk here. Beautiful, nice and shady too. You can see there's a lot of trees. And I'm in the shade right now. I'm on the other side of the Carretera Highway. Oops. Linens here. Okay. I'm walking a little bit on a little bit of cobblestones on this side, so if it's a little shaky, please overlook that. Right across the street there is a veterinary service. Right there, you take your pets. And I'm going to show you a service that I used when I got locked out of the house, and a gentleman got there within 20 minutes after being called. I'm going to show you this service here. It's the locksmith service. It's right there in that little yellow shed there. And there's the gentleman that got into, one time I locked my keys in my car. He came over in 20 minutes and he got my keys out in about 5 minutes. I had my apartment keys, and that's a gentleman that did it right there. And you can catch him. Call this number or stop by here, right here, and this gentleman will take care of you. He's also helped one of my neighbors, and they have a service here, and come on down, check him out. He is a professional. He got into my car very quick in 5 minutes. It only took him 20 minutes after calling, and one time he got into both doors of my apartment a couple months ago when I locked myself out of my apartment. So we're not going to do a YouTube video on that right now, but that's the gentleman you can see. All right, movie theater right here. I've never been to this movie theater, but I'm looking forward to going to one of the movie theaters in this area or at the Tlaquepaque Mall. me to go see a movie. It's about overdue for me to do that. Okay, here's one of my favorite hot spots right here. Great food, great service, dining, open 7 days a week, entertainment about 5 days a week right here at the Scallion Restaurant. Dining, drinking, and dancing. Okay, moving along. Here's one of the markets I go to and I frequent, and that's the El Torito Market. It's a supermercado. Okay, for those who haven't seen any previous videos, I've covered this stuff before. Yoli's, great place for men, and men can go there too. I've seen a man in there before. Yoli's, beauty salon, unisex. Okay, Family Fitness Center up there. This is the Plaza Bougainvillea Mall. That's where the movie theater is. There's restaurants, shops, and stores in there. And it's a great place to go. Let's see what's going on. Across the street a little bit, there's shops and stores. Let's take a walk through here. There's a Telcel store here that I use at times. Okay, over here, there's an Indian cuisine. Let's take a look. That's supplies, Indian restaurant. And you can get there. Now, there is an elevator. I don't know if people are using it or not. I'm sure they do. They have it here, but you'll have to find out. Or I'll find out at another time. Okay. Walking outside, you can see there's one of the smaller versions of an electric bike. It's got the heavier tires, and you can check those out, get those down the street. Here's the store here. Let's go for a little walk over here, and got my backpack on today, as I always do when I go for these walks. You've got FedEx, AT&T, Dermatology, Laser. Let's see. You've got other places you can go visit and see. Once again, I've covered this before, but I want to do an update and give you a fresh video. And this is where I got my crown put in almost a year ago. I haven't had any problems with it. It was done all in one day with German technology. And that's the Ajijic Dental Clinic, and you can go get there right through here. Okay, I'm going to cut this video. We've got more things here. And I want to say thanks everyone for viewing. Please tap on the notification bell. You will be notified of upcoming videos. Thanks for viewing. Started out in La Floresta, all the way over here to Little Ways, and now I'm in Ajijic Centro. Thanks for viewing and have a great day. Buenas tardes.